Hello guys, today I have a EXC450F and I want to show you how to pop some wheelies. I know this is a very powerful bike, it's an enduro. There's two types of how to do a wheelie. You can use the clutch or power. To use a clutch wheelie, you need just to use two fingers. It determines with your bike. You know, kuna bike zamanze ziko na clutch ngumu, so this one you need to hold your clutch using the two fingers. But for this one, it has the soft clutch. And then there's a chest wheelie. The chest wheelie, you just need to use the gas, like you see, you compress the bike on the front, you just compress it. Then the time that inaenda kurudi hivi, you just give the gas, then bike inaamka. That one is for just only for chase wheelies, but on the slow wheelies you just use the finger. Now guys, let me show you how I do my wheelies. Now on the slow wheelies, this is how I do. Like you see, I use just one finger, 5 kilometers per hour. So I just I pop like, see, I just pop like, you see, yeah, that's how I do. See my finger, just the time that unaenda tu kuachilia your clutch, you must accelerate, like, you see how I'm doing. Yeah, so I told you there before, this bike, it has the soft clutch, see? Yeah, the time that unaenda tu kuachilia clutch also una add, you see. Yeah, let me show you how to chase wheelie. Now on chest wheelies, you don't supposed to use the clutch, you just use the gas. Like I'm on a certain speed, I'm not holding the clutch anymore, just using the accelerator. I compress the bike, then the time inaenda decompress, I just, you see, nasimama na. Also guys, I want to show you how to circle wheelie. Now a circle wheelie is the wheelie that you lift up your bike and then one leg down, you just unazunguka na bike, which is like, let me say, ukiweka mguu chini moja, hiyo inakupatia balance, like your bike is fall on right or left. Now it's on neutral. I start the engine. Now use two fingers on circle wheelies. I just pop gear 1 and then you must use your rear brake so that to balance the bike, a bit of gas, then you just pop the clutch once. Let me show you. See? Yeah, now the bike is up. The bike is up. See? That's how to circle wheelie. Let me show you again. You see? Now I'm balancing the brakes, clutch and the accelerator.